Hey, so we're at the Tehachapi Loop right now. This is where there was too steep of a grade for the trains to come up Tehachapi Pass. And so what they did is they built this giant loop down here. So the trains come through the loop and they actually pass their own, behinds, like the back of the train passes, the front of the train passes the back of the train when it's going through the loop and goes through a tunnel. It's really cool. So let's take a look. It's coming through now. Wow.
Oh yeah, look at, there it is over there, huh?
Yeah, it'll pass itself.
It's nice here.
See the tunnel. I see it comes through the tunnel first and then goes around. That's amazing.
You mean it makes a complete circle?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because the grade was too strong. It was too steep a grade. And they realized they had to, kind of curl it around.
They had to get the train going.
That's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, these trains are like a mile long sometimes, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe even 2. That's amazing. I'm originally from Studio City, so I'm from that area. Oh, Palos Verdes, right? I used to work for Shorewood Realtors, which used to be up there. Yeah, they closed down. Arnold got too old, I think, decided he had enough billions of dollars. Wow, that's amazing. I mean, it's fortuitous they had this space to do it too, because look how big that thing is. I can't imagine the amount of real estate that takes up. Yeah, it's just too steep. So what they figured out is if they could create a loop, it makes the grade less. Oh, he's waving at us. They probably, every time they pass through this. Yeah, they probably wonder how many people are up there. Wow, look at that. Man. 1, 2, 3, 4 locomotives. Is it 4 or 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3? Wow, look at that. Look at it. Isn't that funny? You see the back of it over there? Is that amazing?
He's pulling that thing, you see it going.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Check out his train as he's going by.
Yeah. Coming up the hill, I've never noticed the loop. Like, I'm sure you can see, because look, there's direct line of sight, but I've never actually noticed it. Probably too concentrated on the highway. Looks like some of these donors, like Train Depot. Oh, just last year they dedicated this one. It's amazing. Wow. God, that is a long train. That's all the cargo.
It's probably come over around that corner now.
So there's only one passenger train that's allowed to come through. Yeah. It's not the San Joaquinian because that stops in Bakersfield. It's if the Coast Starlight if there's something blocking it, like Santa Barbara, if there's weather or whatever, that's allowed to come through here to get to Los Angeles. Because there's too much traffic. I don't know if it's Burlington Northern Santa Fe who owns this or somebody, but they have too much freight traffic. But they allow that one train to come through here if they have to. I'll tell you that earlier. Wow, that's amazing. Amazon. Yeah. Man, it seems like he's slowed down a little bit, huh? Yeah. Look, it looks like he's slowing down up there somewhere. Maybe there's some traffic. They have 2 tracks to go through here too. That'd be funny to see 2 of them passing each other on this. That is a big train. Look at that. Amazon Prime right there. The blue arrow. Yeah. That's that paper company. I can't think of it. JD something. JB something. JB Hunt probably. Isn't it amazing? Look at this. All day. This is one of the busiest parts of the United States. You know, Mojave, that interchange over there is one of the most busiest for trains in the United States. And so is this. That was really cool.
Me say meow meow.
If you like what you saw, please give the subscribe button a pop and check out another video here.